What's up, world? It's your boy, just checking in on this beautiful Monday. I typically don't work on Mondays, but I'm here to just do some boss work, the work behind the scenes. Today, basically, I'm just trying to get this studio that I've had sitting empty. I've had it sitting empty for maybe about probably about 6 months now, 5, 6 months. I'm just getting it together, trying to clean it up a little bit so I can rent it out. So right now I'm in my SMP room, but I'm gonna just walk to the studio, give you guys a quick tour of what it looks like. Like if you guys see my other videos, you guys have seen pretty much my whole space. But this is the room that has been sitting empty. I don't use this room, and it was rented out for a while, but I had to let that person go, which is kind of the topic of my video today. So like I said, this room has sat empty for about 6 months. So this is you got the lights we can move around. We got the barber station. We got another station right here. Got the full length mirror. We got a TV right here, little window, and then slight right side outside the room they got their own little like waiting area. The larger waiting room is out there, but this is like their smaller waiting area. But like I said, this room was sitting vacant for probably about 6 months, and that's by choice. I've had someone in here, and it just didn't end well. I'll say that, and it just kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. So I just left the room empty for a while, and I was just enjoying my own space. But I think I'm ready to have someone in here. Hopefully, I would prefer, I don't care who it is, but I would prefer like a younger male that's hungry, newer to the game, but still kind of has his own clients and stuff like that. And I don't have to have anything against women at all. I would love for a woman to work here. It's just the first person I had that worked here was a woman, and without giving too much detail or anything, basically the person was just kind of had like inappropriate feelings towards me, and would kind of do inappropriate things towards me that make me feel uncomfortable. And I'm engaged, so I'm not into that, and I wasn't into that person. I'm not here for that. I'm here to work. I'm here to provide you a nice place to work, and a respectful place, and a place that your clients will like and that you enjoy. So long story short, I'm not into that. I just focus on work and my family. So needless to say, when I let that person go, it kind of got ugly, but fortunately I covered myself and blah blah blah. But that's another video for another day. But when I bring that up, I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys think about barbershops or salons where there are males and females working together in close proximity? So even prior to this, to me owning my own shop, I worked in a shop where it was a salon slash barbershop. So there was a barbershop in the front, and then there was a salon in the back. So, but even before that shop, I worked in a shop where it was strictly all men barbershop, traditional barbershop talk, things might get crazy or heated. Inappropriate conversations have been had plenty of times. And that's fine with salons and barbershops. We expect it. You should have the right to, bask in your womanliness and your manliness when you go to the salon or the barbershop. But sometimes I feel like when those energies commingle, it can get crazy. It can. I'm not saying it's a disaster, but it can get crazy. So I've seen examples like at my last shop where, just that energy kind of made unnecessary drama. So like, what is your guys' opinion about men and women working together in the hair industry space? And especially in my case, because you'd be pretty much working so close proximity to me, because my room is right next to this room. That's where I cut hair at. That's where I'm at a lot. And if I'm not in that room, I'm down the hall doing hair tattoos. But like I said, I don't mind a woman being here. It just would have to be someone who would be like professional, strictly here to work, just to learn. Somebody I could teach them something. Maybe they could teach me something. But all the extra stuff, drama and all that, I'm not into that. But yeah, so I'm just working to get this room together. Hopefully I can find someone. I'm gonna post it on my IG today. But yeah, like I said, I would prefer a male, but I don't care who works in here. As long as it gets filled. I'm looking for about 220 bucks a week, about 220 bucks a week. So obviously that person will have to have their own motion, own clientele going on. This is not a storefront, so this is a second floor unit. So this person will have to have their own clientele, own advertisement and all that stuff. So although yes, I would, let people know that they're here, that person will pretty much have to have control of their own career. But yeah, I'm here. I think I might add a couple more things in here just to make it look more appealing. I might add a couple chairs. I have to touch up, I have to just touch up some of the paint chips on the wall, like there's little paint chips. I want to just touch it. I want to make sure the room is perfect. And honestly, I might end up cutting in this room for like a week just to see how it is and just see if there's anything that I can improve myself just to make the experience nicer for who works in here. I might just work in here for like a week just to see what it's about. But yeah, I wanted you guys' opinion today. What do you guys think about men and women working together in a barbershop and salon setting? I've seen it go both ways. I would say I would say I'm close to 50-50 on it, but I'll say more so specifically, I'll probably be like in favor of it 60%, because I've seen it work well, but I've seen a lot of drama too. And if you guys know me, which a lot of you probably don't, I'm not into drama. I'm about my business. I didn't get here today by having drama and craziness going on around me. I would prefer to keep things, stable as possible. Like I said, I'm also a family man, so I go to work, go home. That's my focus. I really don't do too much stuff outside of that. I love my car, and that's what I'm into, my car and hiking and going to the gym, that type of stuff. But other than that, I'm pretty simple, man. And I just want somebody that kind of compliments me in that type of way. But yeah, it's been like 5-6 months. I'm ready to have someone in here, open up the space. And right now we're in the hair tattoo room. It's beautiful. I love it. It's coming along. And I don't even think I showed you guys this, but my office, I'm not really done, but here's part of my office. I did all this stuff myself. So I did the wall, got the little table, got my little coat rack. I got my computer desk and all this stuff. My beautiful family pictures. Only things in here that I would say I need is probably like some blinds, some curtains, get a little privacy in here. Even though this is a second floor unit, no one's even looking up here, but at night you can kind of see in here. So I would get some curtains maybe just to close the curtains. And maybe a barn door just to get some privacy, but I'm really the only one who uses this room and that room, so I'm not really too worried about that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my question I have for you guys today. Leave a comment below. If you can, like the video, and if you guys have any topics or anything that you guys want me to cover, I'll do that. I'm trying to make videos more often. It's been a crazy month, which I'm gonna make my next video about this past month. It's been very interesting. And as you can see, I have a bandage on my finger. It doesn't look that serious, but I basically almost severed my finger a couple weeks ago. But and I was supposed to have a cast on it for a long time, but I took the cast off because it's annoying and I can't work and I hate it, and everyone keeps asking me, what happened? I'm fine, you guys. I'm good. I'm a soldier. Got my stitches. They're dissolvable, so hopefully they'll come out in a couple days, but I've had these stitches for about 2 weeks now. But I'm good. I'll make another video about that, what's been going on the past month, but it's been a crazy month. But I'm getting back to you guys, like I said, being more consistent. So stay tuned for more video ideas, but I just wanted you guys' opinion about that. Again, what do you guys think about men and women working together in a barbershop setting? I think, like I said, I'm in favor of it, about 60%, but I've seen it go crazy. I've seen it go left, and I've kind of experienced it myself, but luckily I had a good, hand on it and I handled it correctly. But what do you guys think? Because I think I would prefer to have a male in here working in here, but anyone can work here. If you're professional, I don't care. Male, female, young, old, I don't care who you are. As long as you have good energy, you're ready to work, you're ready to learn. I'm willing to learn something from anyone. So if you could teach me something, I could teach you something. That would be a perfect situation. But here we are. I just did a couple things in the studio, but I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna wrap it up. Like I said, I'm gonna paint some of those paint chips that are in the wall. And I think I'm gonna stage it a little bit more, put like a little bit more furniture in there just to stage it for the video and the pictures that I take, just to make it look more appealing. But otherwise, in the meantime, you guys stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. In the meantime, let me finish my work and I'll talk to you guys later. All right.